Hi, I'm Matt with Blackmagic Design, and we're here at Cine Gear, and we're talking about the URSA Cine Immersive camera. This camera was actually designed in partnership with Apple and in collaboration with them to help producers create content for the Apple Vision Pro. So it's kind of designed from the ground up to make sure that we are capturing the highest fidelity and the frame rates that they need for their headset. And so it's a really unique system. We actually have two sensors in the camera, and we're capturing 8K per eye at 90 frames a second. And that is kind of hitting that quality bar and that high frame rate that you need for the Vision Pro. In addition to those resolution specs, it produces a Blackmagic RAW file that is going to give you both your left and your right eye in the same file. And that, paired with the whole post-production process of DaVinci Resolve, is going to basically make a very simplified workflow for you if you're going to produce immersive content. Yeah, so what's interesting about this camera, it actually shares a lot in common with our URSA Cine line. So basically from here back, it's the same camera as our URSA Cine 12K LF. It's just when you go from here forward, now we have two sensors, we have these fixed lenses and whatnot. And so kind of an interesting feature about this camera is that we have our dual 180 plus lenses on the front, and they are fixed focus and fixed iris. So we're going to get the best performance we can out of these lenses. And so these lenses are actually calibrated to this sensor specifically per camera, and that calibration file lives in the Blackmagic RAW file, which passes all the way through the post-production process so that the Apple Vision Pro will unwrap this circular fisheye image in the headset. So all that means is that basically we are endeavoring to make this a much simpler post-production process, whereas creating immersive content in the past has been more of a science project.